um, mm, I'm going to describe like my picture and look at your picture and tell me how is your picture different from mine. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, first. So in my picture, the woman is wearing red trousers.
Mm,
What about your picture?
in my picture, the woman is wearing blue trousers.
Blue trousers, yes, right. And in my picture, the woman, she's got a yellow belt.
In my picture, woman hasn't got belt.
Okay, thank you. In my picture, the bottom right shelf is empty.
Mm,
So in my picture, the yes, the bottom right shelf is empty.
but in my picture, the bottom in the right shelf is full of products.
All right, very good. So in my picture, the woman is looking at her phone.
Mm, but in my picture, woman is looking at the milk.
Yes, it's some product. Okay. So in my picture, there is a little girl with the woman.
But in my picture, there is a little boy with the woman.
Okay, good. In my picture, there is a number 3 on the shelves.
But in my picture, there is a number five on the shelf.
Okay, well done. Thank you very much. Yes, we have finished with this part 1, right? Okay, let's come to another part 2. And here, right, there is some information about the boys' favorite museum, right? About children's favorite museum. So this one is right in this table. You can see information about Richard's favorite museum, and we're going like I'm going to ask you questions, right, about this boy, and use the answers from the box. So like to answer my questions, right? And I would like to you to pay attention to my questions. So because after that, after I'll ask you these questions, right, and you will answer it, you are going to ask me question about this girl and write down my answers because I know the information. I know the information. So let's start with the boy, right? His name is Richard.
Можно я заранее схожу? Я ручку забыла взять.
Yes, you need a paper and a pen. Mm-hmm. Just a minute, I forgot I need to take a picture. Mm-hmm. One moment, please, William. I forgot to take a picture. Mm-hmm. So I'm done. Mm-hmm. Let's talk, just look at the information, right, in the box about Richard. So what's Richard's favorite museum?
Richard's favorite museum is the Space Museum.
Museum, right. What days is it open? What days is it open?
It is open on Monday to Saturday.
From Monday to Saturday, we can say, all right. And what time does it close?
It closes at 6 o'clock.
How often does he visit this museum?
He visits this museum once a year.
Right, yeah. And what is his favorite thing there?
His favorite thing is a spaceship.
Okay. Now it's your turn to ask me the questions about this girl, Katie. And ask the question and write down my answer.
What is Katie's favorite museum?
The Travel Museum. The Travel Museum. The Travel Museum. Are you ready? Next question, please.
What day? What is the museum open?
It is open from Monday. No, not from Monday, sorry. From Tuesday to Sunday. From Tuesday to Sunday.
What time does it close?
It closes at 8 o'clock.
How often does she visit the museum?
Once a month.
And what is her favorite thing? What is her favorite thing in the museum?
A helicopter. Are you ready?
One moment. I'm ready.
Tell me about Katie's favorite museum, please.
Katie's favorite museum is the Travel Museum. It is open from Tuesday to Sunday. It closes at 9 o'clock. She visits the museum once a month, and her favorite thing in the museum is a helicopter.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Good job. Now look at these pictures. This is it is the story in pictures, right? We can see 5 pictures of some story. In the first picture, we can see a woman. Her name is Helen. She is visiting the zoo. She is wearing a funny hat. It has got bananas on it. Can you describe the rest of the pictures, like number 2, 3, 4, and 5?
Okay. Can I do it like I'm telling the story?
You can either only describe a picture, or you can make a story if you want. If you make a story, it will be so very good of you. But you can choose. You can just describe the picture or make a story. Everything is fine.
One one day, a woman whose name is Helen goes to the zoo. She likes monkeys, and she goes to the cage with the monkey. She was looking at monkeys for 15 minutes, and then she take her map to see where are the cages with the uh, with the giraffe and with the giraffe and the other animals. And Helen is wearing a funny hat. It has bananas on it. And the monkeys see the bananas, and they and one of them takes the banana and um, tries to eat it, but and when Helen uh, saw it, she becomes very angry.
Okay, thank you very much. Very well done. Good story. Thank you. All right. And my last, I have a few questions about yourself, right? Can you tell me a few words about your hobbies? Do you have a hobby? What it is?
Mm, uh, the question is about sport hobby. I'm doing dancing.
You do dancing? Okay. So yes, and is it like your favorite sport activity, or you have other favorite sports?
I think it's my favorite sport activity.
All right, and tell me why? Why do you like? Why do you like it?
Because uh, uh, because I have because I have a talent in this sport, and think
Is it easy to you, like, to learn a new dance?
yes, and I think some of my family are proud of me. In my school dance, in my dance school, I achieved I achieved many things. I'm dancing very well. I can dance with the emotions. The emotions are very important. And
Okay.
This dance school have has a concert 3 or 2 times a year.
Are you one of the best dancers?
I think no. I think I'm one of the best dancers in our group.
Okay. Right. So very good. So thank you for telling me about it. So I wish you luck, right? So good luck in your hobby. Maybe it it isn't going to be just a hobby. Maybe it will be your profession, right? Or maybe it is a lifelong hobby, maybe. So, okay, good. So, Evelina, and we have finished. Thank you very much.